You don't have to be an expert in AI to use what's out there and help grow your business. So today I wanted to start out with some basic ideas about blogging. Now, for most people, I would guess I'm not unusual. I I find it really hard to come up with an idea and write 500 or 600 words for a blog. Now that shows in the past from my website in that I blogged 3 or 4 times a year, and it was usually something I'd read or something I'd heard about from an insurance agency or from a group like Travelers or Safeco, or somebody would publish something that would get me thinking, and then I'd make a quick blog. Well, those kind of blogs were pretty infrequent and pretty inconsistent. So since I've been using Chat GPT or GPT-4, I found that I'm blogging more often. I'm using those blogs, breaking them up, and using them as social media posts, and I'm really starting to enjoy doing it. Which, I'm doing it every couple of weeks versus every couple of months. So, with the hope of building those blogs into a more productive thing, whether it's a video or a short social media post, you can start to take those things and really build. But today, what I really wanted to talk about, and then we'll come back and talk about other things. But today, what I really wanted to talk about was how to start doing some blogging and how AI, particularly Chat GPT or GPT-4, can help you do that. So let's get going with a little demo here that might be of help to you. I hope it is. And we'll just see how it goes. And that way, get some feedback. Your feedback's really important to me. If there's something you'd like to see or something that you'd like to see different or more depth on, just let me know. This is all new and it's all going to be about helping you. That's what I really want to do. So let me show you a little bit about what ChatGPT is. If you've never been on the website, here it is. It's chat.openai.com. Now, in order to sign up on that account, you may have to go to openai.com and find a place where you can sign up. There's a free account there you can use, and that's going to give you access to the default chat bot, which is right now it's GPT 3.5. If you decide to go ahead and upgrade and use pay the monthly fee, you can have Chat GPT-4. They just call it GPT-4, and it has a lot more logic built into it. It does a lot better things, but it's a little bit slower. So today I'm going to use GPT-4, but you'll see that it doesn't type really quick sometimes. But I think the conciseness and the information provided really helps. So today I just wanted to take a blog idea that I had from yesterday. One of my clients asked me, hey, first time I've ever bought a new car. I'd like to know what kind of insurance I should have for my new car versus the old not so new car that he had before. So I said, okay, that would make a great blog post that I could share with other people and would be a good thing to have on my blog. So I'm just going to start out with, what, and I'll just use a number. What are the 5 most important things in regards to insurance for a new vehicle? Now I can change that around a little bit. I could probably even spell it right. But when I do that, now it's going to come back and it's going to start thinking. It's going to tell me there are several factors. You can read it. But here's the 5 most important things. So it's going to do what it's doing here. It's going to print this out or type it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I'm going to go make some edits to it. I'm going to change it around a little bit, put my voice to it, and then I will use that as a blog post. So it's going to take about 2 or 3 minutes probably. So maybe I'll just come back when it's done. Okay, it looks like GPT-4 has come back with our blog post here. It's probably not quite as long as I'd like it. So I think what I'll do is I'll ask it to change it and actually build it into a blog post. I just kind of asked it for the 5 things, but let's go ahead and change this. Rewrite this information into a 600 word website. And I'll just go ahead and tell what my website is. Let's see if it picks it up. Here we go. It's going to do it again. I'll go ahead and shut off the camera for just a minute. Okay, so GPT-4 did exactly what I wanted it to do. It introduced a blog post here. It came in and it told us all the information, but put it in a little different format than the first time. Blew it up into more of a blog post versus just a list of things. And it looks actually pretty doggone good. Now, one thing happened here that sometimes happens when GPT gets busy. Is what happens is obviously lots and lots of people and everything are using this at the same time, so it gets busy and it cut off there right during the conclusion. So I just asked it. I said finish with the agency information. So it's at the Maze agency or experience agents, but added and it finished up. So what I'll need to do next with this is I'll take the 2 pieces. I'll open up, I use Word. So I'll open up a Word document and I'll plug those 2 pieces into Word and I'll create my blog post in Word. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right here, my other screen right now. Let's see this part. So what I will do, and I won't do it on screen here, but what I will do is now take this Word document that I have, and I'll get it all cleaned up. I'll make some changes in it to make it sound better, and then I'll have an opportunity to post it in my blog post. It's really pretty simple. It gave me a great idea here. I mean, I knew the idea. Maybe in another video we'll talk about how to get an idea. But I think this is a great way for starting out your blog. It gives you some ideas here, and I can go in and start to change this. I'm going to do one more thing while I'm in here. One thing that you'll notice with all this chatbot is that it continues to remember. Like when it stopped, I said finish it up. It finished right from where I was. Now I'm going to say create SEO optimized and hashtag for this blog post. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and save those, and that way I'll have the information there. When I go back to my blog and I want to post this, it will already have done this, and I'll go and put that onto my Word document, and then I'm ready to go. So I hope that helps. I hope it gives you some ideas of how to do a blog and how to make it a little bit easier with the Chat GPT or GPT-4. If you have any questions or you have anything that you'd like to understand about AI and how it might influence or help your agency, I really hope you reach out to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set up a group in LinkedIn. It's going to be called AI Driven Agency. And it's going to be a place where, these videos will be stored, and it'll also give you a chance to join. It's open to the public and give you a chance to be able to post. We can talk about things there. We can give feedback. I really hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope that you'll want to be part of the group. I hope that you'll like and share this if you're seeing it on YouTube, as this is a new YouTube channel. So really jump in. Let's talk about this. Let's help each other. Let's get our AI moving in the right direction to help our agencies really grow and go. My name's Jeff Mays, and I'm so happy and grateful just to be able to be here and to help you with your AI, and hopefully you'll help me with mine. Take care.